welcome back to another video of Kite
and Edge.
And wait, where's Cyan?
I'm here, boys.
So today we're gonna be doing the Science Discovery Science Experiment Kit. So there are 78 experiments in this kit, but for today we're gonna be doing only one experiment.
These are the materials we have.
Orange teaspoon
And 4 measuring cups. And absorbent resin. First step, we have to put 1 teaspoon of absorbent resin to the measuring cups.
Alright, be careful, Cyan. Good job. That's it.
The next step is to put 20 ml of water into this measuring cup.
Cyan.
It's turning to snow!
Oh, she!
Whoa!
Not yet. You put
The first snow in the Philippines.
Yes. Now let's turn the cups upside down.
Whoa!
Whoa!
It feels so weird.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah. It feels like you're really touching snow.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
It feels so weird.
is this even snow? Yeah, or jelly? Snow is actually quite wet because it's from moist. It's moist. Let's make a snowman. Bruh, impossible.
Let's see. Now it's impossible to make a snowman.
Yeah, you need 3 million tons. It's jelly. It's jelly-ish. Now,
Wow.
let's put 40 ml and 2 teaspoons of... You want?
Want to try?
Yeah, let's do this, boy. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Good job.
Look at the snow monstrosity. It's like so huge. Oh, crushing. It feels so weird.
Ew.
Gosh. It feels so gelatin. Why is it not breaking at all?
I wonder what this tastes. Joke lang.
It's not a real snowflake. Also, snowflakes make you sick.
That's yellow snowflakes.
Because it's pink. Look at this monstrosity. It's actually quite cold, right?
Yeah, kinda. If we add cold water.
Yeah. Should we add later? Wait, that's too much. This video is gonna turn into the most messiest video in the entire world. We're gonna cover in like literal snow.
We're gonna turn science home into snow.
Jelly, snow jelly.
Wait,
This
Cyan.
is what the snow looks like. It's like amazing. So amazing. You can squish it.
Alright, let's do 2 hands. I'm gonna do it 2 hands. Cyan, let me do it.
It's like 1 hand.
This is the 1 hand squish of snow.
Rip it! Squish it like Mechagodzilla's head getting blown apart. It feels like squishing puto. What? What's that?
Oh yeah, puto.
Oh, puto? What is... Oh, the egg? It's kind of bread. Oh.
Wait.
It's so messy. Look at
So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, destroy that like button. And always remember, fly high and stay strong.